Okay, welcome back. So this is the last look at this idea of using the automated rack in terms of moving the chain selector around, the use of the scale device to essentially restrict or constrain the notes that are coming through. So this idea is basically split into sort of two ideas. One is that you've got this sort of a much more foregrounded bass line than, say, in the previous example. And you have these little sort of higher melodic parts that are sort of captured with the delay. So here's another variation. Going back to the original idea. So as you can see, we actually don't really have much in the way of note choices here. We've basically got sort of C's, the A flat and the B flat. And essentially we've got C's that are distributed across different octaves. So we have in the original kind of register, and then ones that are transposed, if you look over here on the scale plugin. And then we have just an A flat and a B flat, and that's kind of enough. Again, automation is placed in the clip to deliberately sort of identify the right kind of points that you want to do. What you should also see here is that I've changed the start point of the clip, because that affects how the line is heard against the drums. So if I move it, you get to hear a different version. So this is another way that you can kind of create variations. And you can hear the relationship of the, I suppose, the spaces changes in relation to the drum track. I think this is a really interesting way of kind of creating variations. Rather than making your variations because of the way you play, you can actually reposition the line. That's kind of what jazz players do anyway. Drummers do it. They move things in time. You can do exactly the same thing as well with your clips. And find really interesting places to go to. Start from scratch. And so on. Okay, I hope you've enjoyed this. Please remember to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more content.